Hey friends, I'm Nick, owner-operator, Steam 1 Wrangler, and Chief Stain Chaser here at SpotOFF Carpet Cleaning. If you own carpets, couches, or tile in need of some love, well, you're in the right place. With over 10 years of experience, let's just say those floors won't know what hit them in a good way. I use eco-friendly, family-safe products, as well as a steam cleaning method recommended by carpet manufacturers. What really sets us apart though, I take my time. No rushing, no shortcuts, and certainly no random technician you've never met. It's just me, professional equipment, and some serious carpet cleaning vibes. So if you live in the Delaware, Dublin, New Albany, Lewis Center, Sunbury, Johnstown area, I'd love to see how I could brighten up those floors. Book online, shoot me a text. Or heck, if you see the van, wave me down. I'd love to help you. Love your carpets.